everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club, just with a quick video for you guys. Normally, of course, I always talk about like couponing and saving money, but today I'm going to be talking a little bit more about the kind of stuff that I get in gift bags when I'm going to Fashion Week. So for the people who don't know, my day job, I'm usually like a casting director and fashion photographer. I am kind of in the fashion industry here in New York City. So during Fashion Week and other events, you know, I get invited to, they always have like gift bags and different things that they give to the people who participate or who are attending those events. So I'm just going to show you one of the bags that I received during New York Fashion Week, and I'll talk about other stuff and other bags and other things that I've received going to the shows. Hi everyone, it's Muffins from
Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99.
When you come this, it's Free Stuff Friday. Alright, so most of the time when you are going to like Fashion Week, you like if you're gonna watch the show, you get invited, you get tickets. Most of the shows you have to be invited to get into, or you have to know somebody who knows somebody. Just let me know if you want a ticket to get into a show and you're in New York City during those times. Normally, Fashion Week happens about like 6 times a year. There's New York Fashion Week, there's Men's Fashion Week, there's Bridal Fashion Week. Yeah, so there's plenty of times and plenty of shows to see. It's just a matter of letting me know when you're here. So yeah, back to what happens. So usually you get invited to the events and they have gift bags there, so they'll give you like products, business cards, posters, coupons, all different types of things. And I went to one event where I was a photographer at during New York Fashion Week in February. I did get a few bags from the different shows that I did cover, because I covered about 4 or 5 shows during this production. So I just put it all in one bag. Don't judge me. I just have like a ton of goodies, and I just really want to show you guys the tons of goodies that I've gotten. One of the main sponsors for the goodies is Chi Girl Beauty. They make like eyeshadow palettes, mascara, foundation, bronzers. They make so much cosmetics. Unfortunately, in the bags that I received, I did not get those. I believe the models who did perform in the Fashion Week shows at the particular production that I was at, they actually received like the makeup and everything. I guess they kind of gear it towards, you know, the type of people that are going to receive it. I'm pretty sure some of the guests actually got the makeup and eyeshadow palettes and different stuff like that. But that's okay, that's cool. I just want to show you all my goodies that I got in these particular bags. Some of the stuff is going to be repeated. So do keep in mind that if I just pull it out and just throw it, it's because it's a repeated item. Alright, so we're going to start off. So definitely Chi Girl Beauty. They put their card in there, so you can definitely check it out. As you can see, it says Chi Girl X Fashion Gallery New York Fashion Week. That's the production company that, you know, I cover most of the time. There are different production companies that I do cover, but they're kind of like my go-to things when I'm like having a show to cover. So another thing that I got in my bag. In the world is in that bag. What you got in that bag? It's called the Goldwell Style Sign. The Perfect Hold Volumizing Hairspray. The Big Finish number 4. So it's volumizing hairspray. Gives good, strong, yet flexible hold. Spray onto dry hair to finish. Maintaining and hold previously styled hair. So it is just a hairspray. It is a little bigger than the average sample size, so it's like an in-between size. Not really a travel, because I've seen travel sizes smaller than this. It's about 2.9 ounces worth of product inside. So usually what they do is when a company gets sponsored by the production, they supply like free products, and these are one of the free products. I actually do have video of Ted Gibson and his company performing hairstyles on the models before their shows. Just let me know if you guys want to see that. I can definitely put a link of some of my fashion work that I do so you can see all the great things that I do there. But I think this is really good. Me personally, I don't really use hairspray that much. Usually when I'm doing a photo shoot, this is amazing because if the stylist doesn't have enough hairspray, I always have backup, which is really, really good. All right, let's see. Yeah, I got a few of them in here. Okay. So this is the Goldwell Cura Silk Control. So it's a shampoo and conditioner. They're a little appliers. They're gentle cleansers while taming unruly hair with curtain silk proteins and glycolic acid for smoothing unmanageable hair. Apply to wet hair, lather, rinse through. So it's a little kit with shampoo and conditioner. Let's see if I can open this box. Let me put that bag down so you guys can see the shampoo, poppy shampoo. Right, so it's tiny little shampoos like how you would get like at like samples, sample kits. So it's pretty much that. The shampoo and conditioner, it's pretty good. Yeah, water, agua, yeah. So it has the ingredients in here, and it does have a 12-month. So once you open it, you have to use it. But me personally, I would need a couple of these if I was going to use it on my hair, because a lot of that does not. I need way more than that, but I appreciate, and I love me some goodies. Okay, so here's another one. I'm not gonna go to that. All right. This is a smoothing fluid by Goldwell. So it is a leave-in conditioner that you can put in your hair. So they gave us these little tabs that has the leave-in conditioner, which is really good. Some extra add-ons. I think these are the same thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna toss these aside. Sometimes when you work these shows, they don't necessarily give you bags. So you know, it's kind of sad because you see all the people sitting in the audience and they get all these great goodies and you don't get them. But I'm kind of glad I get stuff like this because when I have photo shoots, this is great for like backup stuff when the girls are not fully prepared. But that's okay. Things like that happen. You forget stuff in your bag, so don't worry about that. Yeah. All right. Ooh, girl. No, I love me some lip gloss. So I was able to get my hands on the Chi Girl lip gloss. Look at that. I can't wait to try this out. Ooh, I might have to do another video with having this being shown. This shade is the color Venus. Ooh, it's a kind of pink nude. It's not gonna look really good on my skin right now, so I'm definitely not gonna put it on right now. But when I do have my face beats and I want to do a like tutorial on the Chi Girl products, you know this is it. You know that's there. I'm probably gonna be using this a lot. This looks good. I like me some lippy products. Oh, and guys, did you hear that MAC has a Selena collection out? Everything is basically sold out, and I'm so heartbroken right now. But we're not even gonna get into that because I love me some Selena. But anyway, let's go. So Goodfellow has a juniper and sandalwood cologne. Oh, hey. A fresh citrus and juniper berry scent with undertones of cinnamon, spice, woods, musk, and moss. So, let me see. I don't really feel it too much. Let me see. a nice little cologne. I like this. So if you need to give you a little boost, something, a little sample size cologne, here you go. There you go. Goodfellow got you covered. So these bags are like full of really good goody stuff. This one is Blue Sage Tonka, so I got a different one. It's really good. It's really good. But yeah, this is, I am liking all this stuff that's already in here. Oh, see, sometimes they're allowed to put business cards in here. Not only do they do hair and makeup, they do also do nails. So the nail technicians are allowed to put their business cards in the bags. And this one is called, her name is DJ Love. She's a nail artist from Houston, Texas. But yeah, they're allowed to put like their info. Oh, there's 2 other flavors. There's spiced ginger rum, and then there's cedarwood gurnam. I know I'm botching that up, but sorry guys. But yeah, definitely check that out, because those colognes and the fact that their samples are like this is good, because if you can buy a small bottle like this, you can intermittently change out like month to month. That's like really cool. I like that. All right, let's figure out what this is. This looks like a cream. So let me put this box down, because so there's a gourmet body butter. It's shea butter, mango butter, vitamin E, jojoba, joba, black seed, olive oil, fragrance. Let's see if I can smell it. Is it open? It's a little open. Oh, it smells amazing. So it's by Exotic, Chic Exotic Body Gourmet Butters. These are really cool. I really like them. They're really good. Alright, I think that's it, because these are the same ones. Yeah, and then there's just like more business cards, Exotic, and different things like that. But it's so much fun. I love it. I love going to fashion shows, even if I'm not covering it, or if I didn't supply models for the runway show. I do enjoy just going to the shows and seeing what's happening. But yeah, I guess that's basically it, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for listening and watching. And for my friends who want to join our Facebook group, we have a link down below. And if you just want to chit chat, or you want to have a digital meeting, all you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. Alright y'all, I have to say it, but I don't want to. I will see you guys